Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another pattern, and this is called as diamond lattice, and this uses a special stitch called DC and treble together. So that's a very nice way of working. The stitch pattern is worked over multiples of 4 plus 2 chains as the foundation chains. I used Hobby Store turquoise blue and TPL iron yarn, medium weight 4 and with color code 2008. I shall make the required number of chains for the demonstration and get back. I have made 5 multiples of 4 plus 2, 22 chains. Now to begin with, I am going to work in the back bump. Make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first second chain from the hook. Row 1 is not a repeat row. Chain 2 and then make 2 double crochets together starting from the same chain. So make an incomplete double crochet here in the same stitch. Skip 3 stitches, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make an incomplete DC and complete the 2 DCs together. Chain 2, SC in the same chain where you completed your last 2 DC together. Chain 2 again, and 2 DC together starting from the same chain where you completed your last, where you placed your last SC. So incomplete DC, skip 3, and in the next another incomplete DC, that is 4 chains away. 3, skip 3 and go ahead and complete. Chain 2, place an SC in the same chain where you completed your DC, 2 together. Chain 2, start 2 DC together from the same chain where you completed your last stitch. Skip 3 and place a DC, half DC, that is incomplete DC, and then complete the 2 DC together. Chain 2, place a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, again 2 DC together starting from the same chain where we completed. Skip 3 chains, an incomplete DC and complete. Chain 2, place a single crochet here, chain 2, starting a DC from the same chain, incomplete DC, skip 3 and complete the 2 DC together in the same chain and the last chain. Chain 2 and place a single crochet in the same chain, the last chain where you completed your 2 DC together. This completes row 1. Don't worry if it slightly curls, it will get straightened up when we work the next rows. For row 2, chain 4 and turn. Chain 4 counts as a treble. Turn. Make a double crochet in the previous DC together. Chain 2 and make an SC in the same stitch where you completed, chain 2, starting 2 DC together from the stitch you completed and into the next 2 DC together, chain 2, place a single crochet here in the same stitch, chain 2, start 2 DC together in the same stitch and complete the 2 DC together in the next 2 DC together. Chain 2, SC around the stitch here, chain 2, start 2 DC together, the same stitch and the next DC2 together of the previous row, chain 2, SC in the same stitch where you completed your DC2 together, chain 2. Here the chains are coming inside the diamonds in this row. I place a SC, now chain 2, 2 DC together in this, and here you are going to complete the stitch in a different way. Chain 2, just a moment, place a single crochet here, and now you are going to work DC and treble together. So chain 2, start your incomplete DC in the stitch and then the third chain of the turning chain, yarn over twice and complete your DC and treble together. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook, pick up the hook, pick up the loop, pull through two times and then complete the stitch. This completes our row 2. So don't feel that it is curling, it will get straightened up. I'll be back with row 3. Row 3, chain 1, SC in the same stitch, chain 2. Now the chains are coming outside, chain 2, 2 DC together in the same stitch and next DC together here. Chain 2, SC in the same stitch, chain 2, start 2 DC together, starting from the same stitch and the next 2 DC together of the previous row. Chain 2, place a single crochet, chain 2, incomplete DC in the same stitch and the next 2 DC together and complete the stitch. Chain 2, SC in the same stitch, chain 2, 2 DC together and the same stitch and the next 2 DC together here. Chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, next 2 DC together, you complete your, and then chain 2 and place a single crochet in the same. This is how we complete row 3. So the pattern repeats our rows 2 and 3 and you can see the small diamonds forming here. That is why it is called as diamond lattice stitch. So when you make a few more rows, the pattern will look like this. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the stitch. This stitch can be combined with any other stitch and used for so many variety of projects. I request you to subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we post. And please do like and share our videos. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Bye for now.